Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going for my friend 4 upgrade of my Ola scooter. It's a free upgrade. I scheduled it almost a month back.
Hey guys, I'm going to the Ola service center today. Ola Electric service center. Hi, this is Akote. Yeah, this start. You guys might know the process to book a slot for free front suspension replacement. If not, I have shared a YouTube short about it. It's like under a minute, so you can see that and understand. It's very easy. I booked my slot at least a month back, if I'm not wrong. I have 97% battery, 27 kilometers to go. So I was not in a hurry to change my front suspension. I know they were defective and Ola was replacing them for free, but I was not using the scooter at all. It's like a space scooter for me. I don't use it on a daily basis, so people like me, I don't think it's a problem. Make sure to check your app. If your scooter needs a replacement, you'll have an option in your app to schedule a pickup or schedule a drop. So today I'm going to do 27 kilometers. It's going to be a pretty new experience for me as well, and I've been to any Ola Electric service center till date. And if you guys can see, my scooter is very dirty. See this places and all. I didn't observe so much, so I'm not using it, and it's covered most of the time. It's very dirty. I thought of getting it washed last week, but again I'm afraid to give it outside for washing, considering it to be a electric way. I'm expecting it to be washed and cleaned properly by Ola Electric. 26.8 kilometers to go, 56 minutes. The weather is nice. It's pretty cloudy today. I hope it won't rain. I am expecting they will give it back on the same day, but again it depends on the flow they have. I'm not sure if they'll allow me to vlog inside the service center, but again we'll try. Wow, here comes Wellfire. What a beautifully crafted car. See the luxury, see the class it has. Probably it's over 1 crore. Someday I wish I get a chance to review all such cars. At the paradise signal now, take a right here. 2 seconds gone. Missed. Let's not risk it. See, situations like this is where we need hill hold assist. See, I'm leaving the brakes and it will roll back. This would have not been the case if we had hill hold assist. I hope it's activated soon. Let's check this BMW iX. It's an X-Drive 4-wheel drive. And just look at the door handles. Wow, something really unique. So the dashboard looks so cool. Such a big display. Guys, I shifted to hyper mode just because the road was empty. Reduced performance, cannot switch modes. Like it was all a normal traffic condition. It's 4:30 in the evening. It's not that hot also. But because of high temperature, it is not switching modes. If you guys remember my first video, I did a hill climb test. That time the software used to say high temperature, cannot switch modes. But after the software update, to stop the panic among their customers, Ola has changed that words to reduced performance, cannot switch modes. It was high temperature before. But if you can see, there is the temperature icon there. Can't switch modes. So coming from Maidipatnam, you have to take that right near that More supermarket. There was a U-turn here. They have blocked it. Probably 400 meters more. So after Pi Electronics, when you're coming from there, there's a U-turn. Just take the U-turn and go back 500 meters and take a left. This is the More supermarket. More supermarket and left here. just 1 minute from here.
At this point, I was actually following the maps and missed the Ola Electric scooter
Right.
service center entrance.
Right, and yeah, Ola van. Yes. This is the service center, but I don't know where the entrance is. Yeah, this is the shutter, no?
One thing I could observe that there was no board which said this is the Ola Electric service
So
center.
this is the entrance.
Appointment slot that I got was between 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. I managed to reach by 4:40. They close by 6:30, so make sure you come on time so that you get the vehicle on the same day.
సరే క్లిప్స్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం బ్లాక్ కలర్ క్లిప్స్ తీసేస్తాము ఎందుకు అంటే హైపర్ చార్జింగ్ స్టేషన్స్ డ్యూ టు ఓవర్ హీట్ ఒకసారి ప్లాస్టిక్ మెల్ట్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్
ఓకే ఓకే
సో దానివల్ల ఇందులో స్టక్ అవ్వడం కానీ లేకపోతే గన్లో స్టక్ అవ్వడం జరిగితే ఛార్జింగ్ అవ్వదు సో ఇవి రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం
అవసరం లేదు కదా దాని రిక్వైర్మెంట్
రిక్వైర్మెంట్ లేదు బట్ హైపర్ చార్జింగ్ స్టేషన్స్లో మెల్ట్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ అయితే ఉంటాయి.
అర్థమైంది హీట్ వల్ల
అందుకోసం తీసేస్తాం.
దాని పర్పస్ ఏంటి
అది నార్మల్ హోమ్ ఛార్జెస్ కోసం సార్ జస్ట్ సపోర్టర్ మన హోమ్ ఛార్జెస్ ఎలా అంటే లెంత్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది కదా మీరు పెట్టినప్పుడు అక్కడ స్టాప్ అయిపోతుంది సో ఇప్పుడు దానివల్ల యూజ్ ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి అది రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నాం హైపర్ ఛార్జింగ్ స్టేషన్ రెండు యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
నియరెస్ట్ హైపర్ ఛార్జర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
పిల్లర్ నెంబర్ 136.
136. ఓకే వర్కింగ్ కదా థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So it's almost 6:25 now. They took almost 1 hour 40 minutes to finish the whole job and get the scooter back to me.
Guys, the service is done. Basically they checked everything. They changed the shock mount. So I'll show you the video. I took that on my phone. Then my party mode and the music via Bluetooth was not working. So he went into the diagnostics mode and did multiple resets and he said there was some data push error and he cleared it and now it's working. There are two other things I want to show. I'll stop here. So there were two rubbers inside my charging port. They said they had to remove this plastic part on this. I asked for the reason. They said hypercharger guns are very hot and they end up melting these caps. They asked my permission and they said it is important to remove it or else there are high chances these will melt when you are using your scooter at hypercharger. So anyone using their scooters at hypercharger, make sure to get these plastic parts removed. I wanted a proper wash. They said washing is not available at their center right now, and this is the whole part that they had to change. So this is the extra metal you're getting and there is a covering here. The old one didn't have cover inside, so I'll show you that video now. Check the certificate on my phone.
I requested them to show the difference between the new Focum and the old one which they replaced. They got it from inside and showed me and explained what are the key factors involved in this replacement.
తీసుకోండి మీ వెహికల్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత సపోర్ట్ వచ్చింది
ఈ పార్ట్ అంటున్నావా?
అందుకోసమే అప్గ్రేడ్ చేశారు. ఓల్డ్ పార్ట్ టు న్యూ పార్ట్ సపోర్టింగ్ చేంజ్ చేస్తుంది.
దానివల్ల అంత చేంజ్ వస్తుందా అన్న?
మీకు లోపల డస్ట్ కవర్ ప్లస్ సపోర్టర్ ఎక్కువ ఇచ్చారు బేస్ హార్డ్ వచ్చింది.
ఓకే సో మెయిన్గా ఇది అంటున్నావు ఈ పార్ట్
అండ్ లోపల డస్ట్ కవర్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు. ఇందులో డస్ట్ కవర్ సో దట్ మీకు ఎక్కువ డస్ట్ లేదు అండ్
ఇక్కడ కవర్ లేదన్నమాట. That's it guys, I want to get a proper wash done. Not today, probably tomorrow. The handle is all dirty because of this mechanics grease and all. Anyways,
A quick advice to everyone who is planning to visit for this upgrade: make sure you go at least by 4 o'clock so that you get your scooter on the same day. If you go at probably 6:30, if your appointment window is between 4 to 7, they'll probably push your delivery to the next date.